The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Bulacan in Region 3 or Central Luzon. The province of Bulacan has the city of Malolos as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. It is composed of 3 cities, 21 municipalities, and 569 barangays. It was founded on August 15, 1578. The total land area is 2,783.69 kilometers squared or 1,074.79 square miles. The province of Bulacan is bordered clockwise from the north by Nueva Ecija, Aurora, Quezon, Rizal, National Capital Region, Manila Bay, and Pampanga. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Bulacan in Region 3 or Central Luzon region. The municipality of Angat with 16 barangays, the municipality of Balagtas with 9 barangays, municipality of Baliwag with 27 barangays, municipality of Bocaue with 19 barangays, municipality of Bulacan with 14 barangays, municipality of Bustos with 14 barangays, municipality of Kalumpit with 29 barangays, and the municipality of Doña Remedios Trinidad with 8 barangays. We also have the municipality of Giginto with 14 barangays, municipality of Hagonoy with 26 barangays, the capital city, the city of Malolos with 51 barangays, municipality of Marilao with 16 barangays, the component city, Maykawayan City with 26 barangays, municipality of Norzagaray with 13 barangays, municipality of Obando with 11 barangays, and the municipality of Pandi with 22 barangays. The municipality of Paumbong with 14 barangays, municipality of Plaridel with 19 barangays, municipality of Pulilan with 19 barangays, municipality of San Ildefonso with 36 barangays, the city of San Jose del Monte with 59 barangays, the municipality of San Miguel with 49 barangays, municipality of San Rafael with 34 barangays, and the municipality of Santa Maria with 24 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Bulacan in Region 3 or Central Luzon. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.